Man, these niggas wanna talk shit. Oh yeah. Got something for his ass. Watch this. Get the fuck over here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You wanna talk shit? Huh? You little bitch. Huh? Oh yeah, where's the little nigga at? Get the fuck over here. Fuck over. Guess what? You little bitch. Fuck wrong with you? Fuck wrong with you? Matter of fact, bring that shit back. Bring that shit back. Man, you trying to play with me, son? Look at this. I beat his ass. You little bitch ass. Bitch ass nigga, son. Man, where's the little bitch ass homeboy at? Man, watch this. Nigga wearing boots is hot as shit outside. Little bitch. Hold up, bring that shit back. Look at that nigga. Got a green hat on. Look at nigga's shoes. Look at the nigga outfit. This nigga's a bitch. You see me, I'm swagged up, though. Swagged up. Yeah. So, bring it back to the other nigga. Right here. Right before I put it. Right there. He got on 2-stripe Adidas, long black t-shirt, long black pants. He look like Shaun White, look at orange hair and shit. Man, you gotta see like the speed and velocity of how I just hit him though. Look at this shit. You wanna talk shit? Fucked him up. Now look, his man's trying to talk shit. Man's trying to talk shit, huh? Fuck over here, little bitch. Fuck.